Hi, welcome to the OpenCV tutorial series. Today I will demonstrate how to create a border around the image like a photo frame using OpenCV. So let's start. First, import OpenCV library. Now let's load an image saved with the name image.jpg in the same working directory. Now it's time to create a border around the image or to expand its size by adding additional pixels to the edges using copy make border method. The first parameter of the copy make border method is the source image, and the next four parameters specify the number of pixels to add at the top, bottom, left, and right of the image respectively. The next parameter depicts what kind of border to be added. It is defined by different flags. Here we will apply border constant. The last parameter is used only when the border type is set to border constant, as in our case. It is an optional parameter that depicts the color of the border. In our example, we apply blue color to the border. You can change it to your chosen color. Now let's display the original image and the image with a border around it. Here it is the original image with no border, and the next one is the image with a colored border. Now let's try to flip horizontally another image saved with a different name and then combine the original and flipped images to create a single image. For that we must know the width of the original image, so let's print the shape of the original image. Here its width is 550, so we will make the left border 550 pixels, and all the remaining borders are set to 0 pixels. The color of the border will be removed, and the border type is set to border reflect. Now run the code to display the result. Here we got an image with original and flipped images. We can also make different copies of a single image and combine them into a single image. For that, just change the border type to border wrap, and we will get a copy of an image without any flipping. Thank you for watching.